Hey, I'm really procrastinating, slacking and lollygagging because I live with passion in a unique mystic fashion. My peers, I'm passing. My trouble, I'm past them. That's a past tense. Yes. The doubters, I'm trashing. More like recycling. My sprained ankle had me cycling and working on this here. X fizz, handling my biz. I'm curious like some kids. This rap pops like a bubble, a collar, or some fizz. Yeah, now sitting here, my wits. Let's start with my favorite shit. That would have to be oxygen deficit. It is the O2 required before you exercise. I suggest you get inspired. That's wise. O2 is supplied and utilized and basically baptized because it changes from an anaerobic to a steady state. To see your peak oxygen uptake, this ain't no piece of cake. You want it high? Then train. And remember, no pain, no gain. So you have to know pain to no gain. I certainly do. You gotta let it push you. And it works 9 times out of 10, like getting a bless you from a hot shoe. You want it high? Then don't relax. I spit facts. Yep, yep, yep. I'm trying to get my VO2 to rise. I'ma exercise till I die, go up high. Fly, touch the sky like bungee. I'm hungry, the number one contender. Another contributing factor is gender. But I'm a man, and I was 19 with big dreams, Krispy Kreme clean, and doing my thing. So my VO2 is up, but I don't fiend on the kicks or the chicks no more. Time ticks, so I need that green so my fam can score. I'm trying war. I got my mentors, and I'm about to soar like a crimson hawk in the sky. I'm so fly, so fly. I'm not gonna let the environment affect me, but it does with this, along with the genetics. That contributes to half. But you do the math and arithmetic. When I did this in the X-Fizz lab, I got a Vo2 Max of 56. I was limited by my peripheral system circulation. I was limited by my respiratory system, skeletal muscle metabolism, cardiovascular, circular, and peripheral circulation, but there was no hesitation. I gave my best effort, and with my concentration, I left the participants in amazement. I was in it for the duration, but I'm more into racing. Vroom, vroom, standing ovations. Boom, boom. Yeah, congratulations. I practiced patience, and my body temperature went up like I ate some spicy hot Cajun. Yes, during this, there was a crossover effect that happens at 70% where more carbs are used than fats. See, my man Allen Iverson does a crossover, but when he does it, it's at 100%. Like the RER past the lactate threshold, also known as ABLA. To use this, I should be getting an A, and I'm going to have to use my medulla oblongata. I'm hotter. I make the order, I slaughter the test like a father, beat its father, go further, have knowledge like Harry Potter from college. Yeah, doing this like Mr. Cotter, drink lots of water. Oops, I mean water. Actually H2O to get the flow of the respiratory exchange ratio. We repay the oxygen debt, referred to as epoch, like Tupac or Microsoft. I excel, and I do this whole process very, very well. Yes. This is excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. It functions during recovery. It's loving me so abundantly. It is above rest and it keeps you feeling fresh, back to feeling your best. Replenish the ATP PCR store and opens the door to convert lactate to glycogen, and this last part is a win because it clears the CO2 in you. Now hop up on top that elliptical or treadmill, get that energy from submaximal to maximal. Let's get physical. Getting that RER above 1, you can use that energy from the sun and your desire, so you can go far on all that you aspire and become a star. Let it set every cell on your body on fire. Yeah, you are the sire. I'm gonna bring this beat back. I'm gonna beat this beat back. Yeah. So let's go. I said hop up on top that elliptical or treadmill. Get physical energy from submaximal to maximal. That's getting the RER above 1. Use that energy from the sun in your desire so you can go far on what you aspire and become a star. Let it set every cell in your body on fire so you can live above par. See, me, Dougie, I used to just go hard with lots of heart. And that worked to some extent, but since I added intelligence, I can turn the competition into non-existence. If you can't tell from listening, I used to be wishing, but now I'm driven on a mission. Yeah, pursuing my vision. So I can be glistening, glittering, shining, blinding like a refined mind. From all the grinding, I found myself aligning. Now I'm gleaming, beaming, living with meaning, and can't be moved because if I do, I might lose. So I do all I can do and be true, and I know the Lord will see that I make it through and take flight like the right brothers. Yeah. Woo, that was it. That was the Vo2 Max RAP. I hope it can support you. I made it when I was a sophomore in college taking exercise physiology, and it supported me in getting a good grade in that class. I hope it can support you with your schooling, whether it be an exercise kinesiology major or personal trainer certification or physical therapy school, whatever it may be. This purpose of this was to be in an entertaining fashion so you could learn and expand your base of knowledge and depth, give it some depth, and help you remember. I've shared it with people and it helped them, so I feel super compelled to share it. I got another one on Krebs cycle. You could check that out as well. Peace. You're a winner.